This morning I wanted to make a post on Instagram, and I wanted to do it from my PC, and I realized that I couldn't do it. You just have your profile icon here, little heart, and I don't actually know what that does, but anyways, there's no buttons to make a posting from your PC. I actually found a way around that. So just right click, go to inspect, and then you'll see you can toggle between devices up here. Click on this, and then what's going to happen is now you see it looks more. Okay. Well, after this, what you got to do is you got to go up to refresh. Okay, and when the page refreshes there, now you're going to see that now this looks like your phone application, but it's on your desktop. So you can just use this little. They've got this weird little cursor here. You can just use this just like your phone. Grab a picture here, load it up, and so on and so forth. So I just thought that might be useful for anybody out there. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon.